three forces acting on a rigid body are represented in magnitude, direction, and line of action by the three sides of a triangle taken in order. The forces are equivalent to a couple whose moment is equal to A. Area of the triangle. B. Twice the area of the triangle. C. Half the area of the triangle. D. None of these. The correct answer is twice the area of the triangle. If tension in the cable supporting a lift moving downwards is half the tension when it is moving upwards, the acceleration of the lift is A. g2, B. g3, C. g4, D. None of these. The correct answer is none of these. When a train is rounding a curve, the side thrust on the wheel flanges is prevented by raising the outer edge of the rail. A. Yes. B. No. C. D. The correct answer is yes. Frequency of vibrations means the number of cycles per second. A. Yes. B. No. C. D. The correct answer is yes. The velocity ratio for the third system of pulleys is A. N. B. N2, C. 2N, D. 2N1. The correct answer is 2N1. If the gravitational acceleration at any place is doubled, then the weight of a body will be A. g2, B. g, C. 2g, D. 2g. The correct answer is 2g. The moment of inertia of a thin spherical shell of mass m and radius r about its diameter is A. Mr. 23, B. 2 Mr. 23, C. 2 Mr. 25, D. 3 Mr. 25. The correct answer is 2 Mr. 23. The resultant of two forces P and Q such that PQ acting along the same straight line but in opposite direction is given by A. PQ, B. PQ, C. PQ, D. QP. The correct answer is PQ. The velocity ratio for the second system of pulleys is N. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. The law of motion involved in the recoil of gun is A. Newton's first law of motion, B. Newton's second law of motion, C. Newton's third law of motion, D. None of these. The correct answer is Newton's third law of motion. When a particle moves along a circular path, its acceleration has two components. One is normal component and the other is tangential component of acceleration. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. A machine which is not capable of doing any work in the reversed direction after the effort is removed is called a reversible machine. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is false. The range of projectile will be maximum for a given velocity of projectile when the angle of projection is A. 2, B. 32, C. 45 to D. 62. The correct answer is 45 to. When two elastic bodies collide with each other, other two bodies will momentarily come to rest after collision. B. The two bodies tend to compress and deform at the surface of contact. C. The two bodies begin to regain their original shape. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. The center of gravity of a triangle lies at a point where its medians intersect each other. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. In order to double the period of simple pendulum, the length of the string should be A. halved, B. doubled, C. quadrupled, D. The correct answer is quadrupled. The moment of inertia of a square of side A about its base is a 4-3. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. If the number of pulleys in a system is equal to its velocity ratio, then it is a system of pulleys. A first, B second, C third, D. The correct answer is second. The center of gravity of a right-angled triangle lies at its geometrical center. A correct, B incorrect, C, D. The correct answer is incorrect. Vector's method for the resultant force is also called polygon law of forces. A correct, B incorrect, C, D. The correct answer is correct. Two equal and opposite parallel forces whose lines of action are different form a couple. A correct, B incorrect, C, D. The correct answer is correct. A circular hole of 50 mm diameter is cut out from a circular disc of 100 mm diameter as shown in the below figure. The center of gravity of the section will lie A in the shaded area, B in the hole, C at O, D. The correct answer is in the shaded area. The maximum velocity of a particle moving with simple harmonic motion is A, B r, C 2 r, D r. The correct answer is r. The loss of kinetic energy due to direct impact of two bodies upon the value of coefficient of restitution. A depends, B does not depend, C, D. The correct answer is depends. A body of mass m moving with a constant velocity v strikes another body of same mass m moving with same velocity but in opposite direction. The common velocity of both the bodies after collision is AV, B2v, C4v, D8v. The correct answer is 2v. The unit of power in SI units is A horsepower, B joule, C watt, D kgm. The correct answer is watt. According to parallel axis theorem, the moment of inertia of a section about an axis parallel to the axis through center of gravity i.e. IP is given by where A area of the section Ig moment of inertia of the section about an axis passing through its CG and H distance between CG and the parallel axis. A IPIGR2, B IPIGR2, C IPIGR2, D IPR2 IG. The correct answer is IPIGR2. The resultant of two equal forces P making an angle is given by A2P sin 2, B2P cos 2, C2P tan 2, D2P cot 2. The correct answer is 2P cos 2. The force by which the body is attracted towards the center of the earth is called A impulsive force, B mass, C weight, D momentum. The correct answer is weight. Coplanar concurrent forces are those forces which A meet at one point but their lines of action do not lie on the same plane, B do not meet at one point and their lines of action do not lie on the same plane, C meet at one point and their lines of action also lie on the same plane, D do not meet at one point but their lines of action lie on the same plane. The correct answer is meet at one point and their lines of action also lie on the same plane. The power developed by a body acted upon by a torque T Newton meter Nm and revolving at radian s is given by At in watts, Bt 60 in watts, Ct 75 in kilowatts, Dt 4500 in kilowatts. The correct answer is T in watts. The time taken by a particle for one complete oscillation is known as periodic time. A agree, B disagree, C D. The correct answer is agree. The velocity ratio of a first system of pulleys with 4 pulleys is A 4, B 8, C 16, D 20. The correct answer is 16. 1 joule means that A work is done by a force of 1 N when it displaces a body through 1 m. B work is done by a force of 1 kilogram when it displaces a body through 1 m. C work is done by a force of 1 dyne when it displaces a body through 1 centimeter. D work is done by a force of 1 g when it displaces a body through 1 centimeter. The correct answer is work is done by a force of 1 N when it displaces a body through 1 m. The moment of inertia of a sphere of mass m and radius r about an axis tangential to it is A2 Mr. 23, B2 Mr. 25, C7 Mr. 23, D7 Mr. 25. The correct answer is 7 Mr. 25. The velocity ratio for the first system of pulleys is here n is the number of pulleys. An, Bn2, C2n, D2n1. The correct answer is 2n. The ideal angle of banking provided on the curves on roads depends upon A. Weight of the vehicle, B. Velocity 2 of the vehicle, C. Nature of the road surface, D. Coefficient of friction between the road and vehicle contact point. The correct answer is velocity 2 of the vehicle. The moment of inertia of a thin disk of mass m and radius r about an axis through its center of gravity and perpendicular to the plane of the disk is A. Mr. 22, B. Mr. 24, C. Mr. 26, D. Mr. 28. The correct answer is Mr. 22. The linear velocity of a body rotating at rad s along a circular path of radius r is given by A r, B r, C 2 r, D 2 r. The correct answer is r. A machine which is capable of doing work in the reversed direction after the effort is removed is called a non-reversible machine. A yes, B no, C, D. The correct answer is no. The forces which do not meet at one point and their lines of action do not lie on the same plane are known as A. Coplanar concurrent forces, B. Coplanar non-concurrent forces, C. Non-coplanar concurrent forces, D. None of these. The correct answer is none of these. A non-reversible machine is also called a self-locking machine. A. Agree, B. Disagree, C, D. The correct answer is agree. Mass moment of inertia of a thin rod about its one end is the mass moment of inertia of the same rod about its midpoint. A. Same as, B. Twice, C. Thrice, D. 4 times. The correct answer is 4 times. Moment of inertia of a hollow rectangular section as shown in the below figure about y-axis is not the same as that about x-axis. A. Yes, B. No, C, D. The correct answer is yes. The angle of the inclined plane at which a body just begins to slide down the plane is called helix angle. A. True, B. False, C, D. The correct answer is false.